Hi friends, second year maths 2B definite integrations part 2. So we are in very short questions. First 11 questions are completed in the previous part, that means part 1. So now the 12th question is integration 0 to pi by 4 sec power 4 theta d theta, evaluate. Okay. So first of all I am taking the same given 0 to pi by 4 secant power 4 theta d theta as it is written, and this is rewrite as 0 to pi by 4 sec power 4 theta I am writing as secant square theta into secant square theta and d theta as it is. I am just modifying and then after I am simplifying 0 to pi by 4. And what is secant square in terms of tan? So we have three identities in trigonometry. One is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal 1. Second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta equal 1. So from this secant square theta equal, we can write tan square and right side becomes 1 plus tan square. So from second identity, instead of secant square we can write 1 plus tan square. So here instead of secant square I am going to write 1 plus tan square theta and into secant square theta d theta. Okay. So now 1 into secant square, yes, secant square theta 0 to pi by 4 secant square theta, then plus tan square into secant square, yes, tan square theta into secant square theta d theta. So now two functions are there. One is 0 to pi by 4 secant square theta d theta plus second one is 0 to pi by 4 tan square. I am writing tan theta whole square. So why I am writing like this I will tell you, into d theta. So as it is written. Now what is integration of sec square? First we know that what are the different derivations. Sin derivation cos derivation minus sin, tan derivation sec square. So tan derivation secant square integration tan. So secant square integration tan. So here it is in terms of theta, so tan theta. And what are the intervals? 0 to pi by 4 and plus, see here, tan derivation secant square. So we can apply the function power n into function derivation. Which formula? Integration f to the power of n of x into f dash of x formula. So the formula of this one is f to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay. So here it is in terms of theta. Okay. So function is tan. So tan theta whole power n plus 1 means 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. And what are the intervals? 0 to pi by 4. So whole power we can write here. Okay. And intervals I am writing 0 to pi by 4. Yes, now substitute pi by 4 in the first time and then after substitute 0. So which is equal tan pi by 4 minus tan 0 for this and plus here tan cube pi by 4 then 0 substitute minus tan cube 0 by 2 plus 1 3. So now tan pi by 4 value means tan 45 1, very good. Then after minus tan 0 value, so 0, so is equal 1 minus 0 plus, now again tan pi by 4 value 1 and 1 cube value 1 into 1 into 1 minus tan cube 0. So again tan 0 value 0 cube nothing but 0 into 0 into 0 0 by 3. So here we are getting 1 plus 1 by 3. This is 3 1 ja 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 is the answer. Okay. So please note down this 12th question. We can complete all 2 marks question in this part, and the remaining most important questions also are there in this part. We can see in the previous part 1 also we have seen the important questions. So most probably these questions are enough, and the all repeated questions I am covering. Okay, within short term we can get the good score through our channel. So that is our main ambition. Yes, next question, 0 to pi by 2 x sin x. x sin x. So here sin x or sin theta. Okay, x it is in terms of dx with respect to. So here two terms are there. Obviously in the integration u into v we can apply. So whenever we are going to apply integration u into v formula, at that time we have to choose what is u, what is v. Yes. So by according to ILATE, I means inverse, L means logarithms, A means algebraic function like x, x square, so and so. T means trigonometry. See, algebra function first is there, then trigonometry. Algebra, trigonometry. It is in order, so no need to change. So directly we can write 0 to pi by 2 x sin x dx, and this one is u, this one is v. Okay, what is integration uv dx formula? uv dx is actually u into integration v dx minus integration of u dash integration v dx whole dx plus constant. But in this definite, constant cannot be written, and apply uv formula. So from here to here, u means x, next integration v dx means integration sin x dx. Okay, intervals 0 to pi by 2, then minus integration u dash means x derivation 1, integration v dx, otherwise you can write d by dx of x, again integration v dx means integration sin x dx and whole dx, and intervals 0 to pi by 2. So in the next step, x integration sin x is what? Minus cos x, and here intervals are 0 to pi by 2, then minus integration 0 to pi by 2, derivation of x is 1, and integration of sin is, yes, minus cos. So minus into, okay, minus cos x dx. So can I remove this? Already have written. Okay, otherwise you can see here. So here minus you can write outside, minus of x cos x, and intervals 0 to pi by 2, then minus into minus plus, integration of cos x is, yes, sin x, integration of cos x is sin x, and intervals 0 to pi by 2. By simplifying this we can get the answer. So how can we simplify? First substitute pi by 2. So pi by 2 cos pi by 2, then minus substitute 0, 0 into cos 0, it is over, then plus first sin pi by 2 minus sin 0. So what is minus? Pi by 2 means pi by 2 only, cos 90 value 0, 0 into pi by 2 0, minus cos 0 value 1, 1 into 0 0, and plus sin 90 value 1 minus sin 0 0. So totally this is completely 0, no need to write, and plus 1. So 1 is the answer for this question. Okay, so here integration u into v method we applied. So friends, if you are newly watching, please subscribe our channel, and also please share with your friends, and click the like button, give the comment. Okay, 14th question. 14th question, I am writing the question here. So integration x tan inverse x dx, and the intervals are 0 to 1. So same u into v apply method. If it is possible, you understood well, you just pause the video, do it, after that verify with me. So don't bother, again I am telling also. So first we should rewrite in the according to order. ILATE, I-L-A-T-E, I-L-A-T-E. I means inverse. So inverse must be in the beginning. L means of logarithms, A means algebra. So this is algebra term, this is inverse term. So first inverse term tan inverse x into algebra term x dx. This is the order. So this is taken as u, this is considered as v. So now apply integration uv dx formula. So that is u into integration v dx minus integration of u dash integration v dx dx. In integration chapter also we have learned this formula. So many times it is repeated, this formula, which is equal here, u means this one, from here to here we should apply first u write down as it is. U means tan inverse x, then integration v dx means integration v means x dx minus integration u dash means derivation of tan inverse x into integration v dx means integration x dx and whole dx. So here the intervals 0 to 1 and here intervals 0 to 1. So which is equal tan inverse x, the integration of x is x power n integration formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 means x power 1 plus 1 2 by 2. So for this intervals 0 to 1, and here derivation of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square and derivation of integration of x is x square by 2. Yes, so into x square by 2 and dx. So this is very simple. Substitute 1 in place of x and write minus, and substitute 0 in place of x. So we get tan inverse 1 into 1 square by 2 minus tan inverse 0 into 0 square by 2. Then minus x square into 1 integration 0 to 1 x square by 2 we can write outside constant term by 1 plus x square dx. So how to simplify this? In the integration, this type of problems we did many times. So in the denominator 1 plus x is there, in the numerator x square is there. So if you completed maths 2a, particularly partial fractions chapter, so from that we can learn the numerator power and denominator power is same. So we should divide the numerator by denominator, we can get 1 plus something. Otherwise simply we can write we can simplify by adding plus 1 and subtracting minus 1. Okay, so to simplify this, in integration chapter also we did this type of problem. And here 1 square means 1, 2 means 2, 1 by 2 we are getting. What is tan inverse 1? Actually 1 means in terms of tan 45. So tan inverse cancel, just 45 we are getting. 45 means 45 radius, pi by 4 and 1 by 2. So we are getting 5 by 4, 4 into 1 by 2, then minus. So 0 square means 0, 0 by 2 means 0, 0 into something 0 and minus. So here 1 by 2 I am writing as it is, and for x square I am adding 1 and subtracting 1 and by 1 plus x square dx. So these two terms taking at a time. So pi by 1 into pi into 1 pi, 4 to 8, just we are getting pi by 8. Next 0, no need to write, minus 1 by 2, integration 0 to 1. So 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, you just simplify this, we can get the answer. From here very simple. So pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 into, so only 1 is there, integration 1 to 0 to 1 1 dx minus 0 to 1 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So is equal pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 into integration of 1 is x, the intervals 0 to 1, integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x, intervals 0 to 1. So pi by 8 minus 1 by 2, first 1 substitute and then 0 substitute. Here also first 1 substitute, tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. So pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 0 1 and minus tan inverse 1. So what is tan inverse 1? Tan inverse means tan inverse, 1 means tan pi by 4. So tan inverse tan cancel, just get pi by 4. So minus into minus plus, and tan inverse 0 is 0. Why 0 in terms of tan 0. So tan inverse cancel, 0 is repeating. Is equal pi by 8 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into minus pi by 4 plus pi by 8. So y by 8 pi by 8 becomes 2 pi by 8. So 2 pi by 8 means 2 1 jar 2 4 jar. So we are just getting pi by 4 and minus 1 by 8 is given. So this is the answer. Or otherwise you can write one more step, 2 into pi minus 2 by 4 by taking LCM. So okay, that is the answer for this question. Okay, and two more questions are there. Then after we have some formulas, basic formulas, very simple formulas, and those simple formulas can use in the 4 marks and 7 marks also. So let us complete this one, and after that two questions I can give some basic formulas and important questions. Okay. Yes. So please note down. Okay. Next, 15th question. Integration 0 to a root of a square minus x square dx. Yes, we have the direct formula for integration root of a square minus x square. In integration, each and every formula, okay, is used in the integration chapter. If you are perfect in the integration, so definite integration is very simple. Okay. So what is the formula? So 0 to a as it is. Okay. 0 to a integration a square minus x square dx. Solution. So for this, formula is x square by 2 into root of a square minus x square minus a square by 2 into and sine inverse x by a. Am I right? Once check it. Okay. This is the formula. So if you know the formula and the substitute interval 0 to a and simplify, we get the answer. That's it. First a substitute in each and every term. Tarvata after that 0 substitute. A substitute in place of x, a square by 2 root of a square minus a square minus a square by 2 sine inverse a by a. Okay. Minus then 0 substitute in place of x, 0 square by 2 root of a square minus 0 square minus a square by 2 sine inverse 0 by a. Okay. So a square minus a square is 0, root 0 is 0, 0 into something 0 minus a square by 2, a cancel. So we just getting sine inverse 1. So sine inverse 1 in terms of sine is sine 90. So sine inverse cancel, 0 means no need to write, minus a square by 2 into just pi by 2. And what about these steps? I did not complete this. Yeah. So 0 square by 2 means 0, 0 into something 0. And sine inverse 0 is 0, 0 into something 0. So completely we are getting zeros. So this is the final answer. Minus pi a square by 4 is the final answer. Okay friends. Next to 16th question. Same type of question. The small changes in the question. The same formula we should use. So that the 16th question is interval 0 to 2 root of 4 minus x square dx. Same, 4 means a square, 2 square, to a square x square, same formula, substitute values, we get the answer. So answer is minus 5 into a square means 4 by 4 means minus 5 answer. Yes, exactly. Sorry, a small mistake. I have written the wrong formula. Plus is there formula. So plus 5 is the answer. Okay. Thank God. So this is the correct. Plus is there in the formula. This is first formula in this type of 3 formulas. One is root of a square minus x square. Second one is root of x square minus a square. Third one is root of a square plus x square. 3 formulas are there. So these 3 are very most important formulas. Okay. Without formulas we can't do integration chapter. So by hand few formulas and do the problems. So by doing the problems and using the formulas in the problem solving, in that way we can remember the formulas in easy way. So if you completed integration chapter through our channel, so this is also easily you can understood. So next some formulas are there. Okay, any doubt? Okay friends, so this is very most important question. So before this some formulas are there. First formula, integration a to b f of x dx is equal minus integration b to a f of x dx. means if lower interval and upper interval is interchanged, we have to write minus. Next, second formula, if a less than c less than b, means in between a and b some another number is there, so we can split as a to c f of x dx plus c to b f of x dx. Finally, lower interval a, upper interval b, in middle c is existed. Next formula, integration 0 to a f of x dx is equal integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This a minus x. Okay. Next, similarly, if a to b f of x dx is there, same a to b f of a plus b minus x. These two are same formulas. Sir, when we can use these formulas, how to remember? In 4 marks questions and in 7 marks questions, applications of these formulas are there, and another 2 formulas also are there. So in the 7 and 4 marks, and also if in 2 marks, whenever we can use these formulas, at that time I will explain how to and when to use these formulas. First, to see this 17th important question. So same type of question in the 18th also is there. You can try if you understand this, but this is very most important for 2 marks question. Okay. So what is question? Integration 0 to 4 modulus 2 minus x dx. Question 0 to 4 modulus 2 minus x dx. Okay. So interval 0 to 4 is given. So if you substitute 0, we can get 2 minus 0, 2. So generally if you think when it is positive, when it is negative, that we have to catch. And 1 substitute 2 minus 1, 1 positive, and 2 substitute 2 minus 2, 0, it is neutral, and substitute 3, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So from 0 to 2 we are getting positive value, so we are keeping as 2 minus x as it is re, and from after 2 onwards and up to 4 we can get negative, See, if you substitute after 2 means like 3, if you substitute, it becomes 2 minus 3 minus 1. If you substitute 4, 2 minus 4 minus 2. So we should not get a negative term because of the term is modulus. The modulus of function is always positive. So that's why to get positive we should multiply with minus, otherwise plus minus of 2 minus x write down. Okay. So for the 0 to 2 same function we can write, and plus for the next 2 to 4 not 2 minus x, minus of 2 minus x should be taken. Why we are taking minus of 2 minus x? Minus why we are taking? Because of in 2 and 4, between 2 and 4 it is completely negative, but we should get positive. Why should we get positive? The modulus function always represent in positive. To get positive, minus multiplied. So that's why modulus function, did you remember or not, the mod x function is defined as plus x when x is greater than minus x when x is less than 0. Okay. In limits and continuity we have learned that concept. In functions also we have learned. So whatever it, you just blindly write 0 to 2 function, and 2 after it becomes negative. So the negative, how to convert into positive means by multiplying minus again, same. So now do the integration 0 to 2. Okay, I am not writing 2 integration 2x minus x integration x square by 2, and what are the intervals? 0 to 2, plus into minus minus. Okay, again 2 integration 2x x integration x square by 2, and intervals 2 to 4. So plus into minus, minus is written, 2 integration 2x minus minus has to be x integration x square by 2. Otherwise you can write minus 2 minus x minus 2 also you can write and do it, same answer you can get. So now 2 substitute, 2 into 2 minus 2 square by 2 minus substitute 0, 2 into 0 minus 0 square by 2, and this is next minus substitute 4, 2 into 4 minus 4 substitute 4 square by 2, then substitute to lower interval Okay, 2 into 2 4 minus 2 square, 2 cancel, 2 is remaining. 2 into 0 0 minus into 0 0 and everything 0 minus 2 4 is 8, 4 square means 16 by 2 means 8 and minus 2 2 is 4 minus 2 square means 2 cancel, 2 is there. So 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 8 minus 8 0 minus 4 minus 2 2. So 2 minus into minus plus 2, otherwise minus 0 plus 2 becomes 4. This is the answer. So one more question, same type of 18th question. You just do it 0 to 2 integration 1 minus x dx. Same problem. I think answer is 2. No, answer is 1 for that question. So this is 4 and for that answer is 1. So do it same way. Next, how many questions are 17, 18? Next, 19th question. Can I remove this? Same as usually. We can split this as 0 to 1, 1 minus x dx plus 1 to 2 minus of 1 minus x dx and simplify, do it the same. If you have any doubt, please watch this concept again. Shall we go to 19th question? Yes, 19th and 20. So 2 questions are there. With these 2 questions, we can complete all 2 marks question. And again, the 2 marks questions based on how to find area of some region through the integrations. So in 2 marks questions and in 4 marks, 7 marks questions also there. So the concept is separate. So in the finally, I will tell you. First to complete these topics. These are very important. Of course, those are also compulsory, but after this. So after 19 and 20, we can enter into the 4 marks questions. Yeah, 19th question is integration minus pi by 2 to 2 plus pi by 2 to sin modulus x dx. Same type of question, little bit different. Okay, for this answer is 1 or 2, what I told? Yes, 1. Next, this is also we can split minus pi by 2 to 0, sin is negative. Sin means mod x is negative. So that's why we can take minus pi by 2 to 0, we can write minus sin x dx plus, and after that 0 to pi by 2, the mod x is plus x only, so sin x dx. So we can split as this way. So minus right outside, sin x integration minus cos x and intervals minus pi by 2 to 0 plus sin x integration minus cos x, here intervals 0 to pi by 2. So minus into minus plus, so cos 0 interval minus pi by 2 to 0 plus into minus minus cos x intervals 0 to pi by 2. So substitute 0 first, sorry, this is cos x, first to 0. So we get cos 0 minus cos, next substitute minus pi by 2, then minus substitute cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. What is cos 0 value? 1 minus, see, cos of minus theta is plus cos theta and cos 90 is 0. So we just 0 getting. Again cos 90 is 0 minus cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, this is the answer. So the last 2 marks question will be 20th. Any doubt? You can put in comment box. So this formula we used here. A to B f of x dx equal A to C f of x dx plus C to B. C minus pi by 2 0, 0 to pi by 2. In the previous question also we used that formula. Okay. Yeah. Can I remove? Okay. Yes. 20th very short question. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x dx. Okay, so this is also important for 4 marks. Sometimes it may ask for 2 marks and sometimes it may ask for 4 marks question, because of in 4 marks also same type of questions are there. So first let a equal to, let us take 0 to pi by 2 and same question, sin power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x dx. This is taken as equation 1. So generally we know one formula, that is integration 0 to a f of x dx, also written as integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, so according to this formula, so a means a only, so 0 to a means 0 to a, f of a minus x, so sine of pi by 2 minus x, by in the denominator also sin power 5 pi by 2 minus x plus cos power 5 pi by 2 minus x. The simple question, if you remember this step, that is enough. In the next two steps simply we can complete. 0 to pi by 2, obviously sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta and power 5 as it is. Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta and cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. Let's take equation 2. So a equal. So in equation 1, a equal to integration sin power 5 by sin power 5 plus cos power 5 dx. Equation 2, a equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5 by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x. In both denominators are same. Am I right? So directly you can add the numerator if you add 1 and 2. So add 1 and 2. So a plus a, we get 2a is equal 0 to pi by 2. So same interval sin power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x dx plus so on. And second one is cos power 5x by cos power 5x plus sin power 5x dx. So for both the limit is same interval and for both dx is common, so we can write. So now how to add this term? The denominator are same, so LCM is denominator and numerators can be added. So 2a equal integration 0 to pi by 2, numerators sin power 5x plus cos power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x dx. See, both numerator and denominator same cancel. So 2a equal integration 0 to pi by 2 1 dx, and integration 1 is x, the interval is 0 to pi by 2. So first substitute pi by 2 minus substitute 0 0, so is equal to pi by 2. So many of you, the major mistake is after doing this step you can feel the answer is completed, but not completed. Okay, one more step is there. We have found 2 into a value, but the question is only a. So that's why a also, a you have to find. A 2 side right side goes to denominator pi by 4. A means what? 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x dx is equal to pi by 4. So this is the answer. Okay. After this we must write this step, otherwise you will lose 1 mark. Okay. To get completely total marks, if it is for 2 marks, up to here if you do also we get 1 mark, and for this another 1 mark. If it is given for 4 marks, up to here you will be awarded 3 marks, then after for this step another 1 mark, 4 mark. Okay. So this is very most compulsory, we should remember. Why I am saying again and again, because of many students forget after this to write this step. So that's why don't forget and complete the solution, give the solution. So friends, these are the very short questions, and in the next part 3 we can start 4 marks question. 4 marks question also same, this type of questions are there. If I give you questions, almost all you can solve the problems. Okay, I just adjusted these questions in the some another pattern for our easy convenient. That's why easily we can understand, and without huge work, without more hard work, within less time with the less work we can complete this intermediate mathematics. I hope you are understanding, and thank you watching. And if you are newly watching, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share with your friends, and also first click the like button and give the comment. Thank you. Sorry, another two more questions are there in the 2 marks question. So this is 21, 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5 by 2x by sin power 5 by 2x plus cos power 5 by 2x dx. Same as this question, just here power 5 is there, here power pi by 2 is there. So instead of 5, we can get pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2. Whatever it, same terms gets cancelled, same answer we can get, that is pi by 4 is the same answer we can get for this question. Okay. And another 22nd question. This is also same process, and do it. Sin square pi by 2 minus x, cos square pi by 2 minus x. After adding first equation and second equation, you will get 0 by something, and 0 by something is 0. So integration of 0 is 0. So 2a equals 0, a equals 0. So that is the final answer. Okay friends, 21, 22. So in this only few 4 marks questions are there in this definite integration, that I will tell you. If it is possible in the part 3, I will start with 7 marks or 4 marks, whatever according to our questions based on. So don't forget, these 2 questions are also important. So these are the 2 marks questions. Thank you. Can I leave? Okay, let us meet in the next video.